Hey, it's Mike with Atlantic Pressure Washers, and I'm happy to invite you to our fall learning event, which is going to happen November 4th and 5th this year. That's a Friday and Saturday, November 4th and 5th. At this learning event on Friday, we're going to cover how to winterize your equipment. As professionals, you should know how important it is to winterize your equipment. We're also going to cover some maintenance and plumbing tips, and that's going to be taught by our very own Josh Lee. Then, after the winterization portion, we're going to have a happy hour. So get ready to have some beer if you drink, and we're going to also share war stories. You've all got them, we've got them, happy to share. Let's hear those stories. But don't drink too much because Saturday morning starts at 9 a.m. where we're gonna have coffee, a little nosh, a little socializing. Then we're gonna jump right into hot water machines. Dirt Killer has a couple of new hot water machines that we wanna show you. But more importantly, we wanna talk about why you might want a hot water machine, how to use it, and general maintenance and safety tips. Hot water machines are not like cold water machines. They can actually throw out balls of fire, so you need to know how to operate them correctly. That's going to be taught by Josh Wagner and Josh Lee. Then we're going to move into primary chemicals. You know, Nasty, The Boss, Big Green Brews, Crack and Wash, etc. How to use them, where to use them, dilution ratios, safety, storage, things that you can mix and things you shouldn't mix. So that's going to be really fun and awesome. Additionally, we're going to move from there into off-season income. As you know, here in the Northeast, we do have a couple of months where there's kind of no work or minor amounts of work. And so some of us need an additional income. So we're going to talk about different ways that you can make money with your pressure washer in the off-season, as well as just alternative sources. One example is join Dirt Killer affiliate program. You already know and use Dirt Killer products, might as well share it with your friends in the pressure washer communities online, in which case you can earn money just by sharing a link of products you already know, love, and trust. After that, we'll have lunch. That's included in the registration fee. After lunch, we're going to have a digital marketing seminar taught by me. My name is Mike, as I said. Before I came to Atlantic Pressure Washers, Dirt Killer, I ran a consultancy for 20 years. I've got 20 years of experience, a lot of know-how on how you can leverage the internet, including social media, to increase your brand awareness and generate customers. That's the entire point of having a website, is to draw the right customers to you, and I'm going to help you with a lot of tips on search engine optimization, Google AdWords, Facebook, paid posts, Google Maps, YouTube, etc. And at the very end of the day, we are going to have a raffle, which is exclusively for participants of the fall learning event. We're going to be giving away 3 of the Silver Helix surface cleaners. These are great machines, built to last, commercial grade. We've got a 12-inch, a 21-inch, and a 30-inch, and 3 lucky participants of the event are going to get that. Now, you can register at the links below or give us a call. Seating is limited, so if you're planning on attending, I highly encourage you to register as soon as possible, because when we're sold out, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe. My name's Mike with Atlantic Pressure Washers. Don't forget to turn the water on.